Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Apple ID password without computer, without any third-party application software and any passcode, and without any data losing of your iPhone device. So let's start the video without wasting time. So firstly, open Safari. So friends, tab here login. Again, Apple ID, tab on go. So friends, you can see here Apple ID first option. So tab on my Apple ID. Scroll down. One account for everything Apple. A single Apple ID and password gives you access to all Apple services. Sign in to manage your account. So tab on sign in. So friends, manage your Apple ID. So friends, tab here Apple ID email address dot tab on done, and remember me, tab on forgot your passcode. So reset password, enter your email address or phone number that you use with your account to continue. So tab here Apple ID email address, at icloud.com. So your privacy is important. If you are resetting your password on someone else's device, your personal information will not be saved on their device. So friends, don't worry about your personal information, because this website is not save your personal information to any device. So tab on continue. So friends, you remember your personal. So friends, you can see here last digit of your mobile number that link with your Apple ID email address. So enter your this phone number. So when you tap your number, so tap on continue. Send code to your trusted phone number. Reset your password with a verification code sent to your trusted phone number. So tap on send code. So friends, you have received a code from Apple ID. So open your message and enter this code into your Apple ID password reset. So friends, enter passcode. Enter the passcode you use to unlock this iPhone to reset your Apple ID password. This passcode protects your Apple ID, saved passwords, and other data stored in iCloud. Your passcode is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. So tap your passcode. Wait few seconds. So friends, you can see here Apple ID is not required your personal email address, personal information, personal anything, and this option is for create new password for your Apple ID. So friends, enter the new password for your Apple ID. So when you tap new password, then tap on only continue, then your Apple ID password is reset and renew your password. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to reset Apple ID password without computer, without any third-party application software and any passcode and any personal information. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.